In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate objects in Photoshop using two super easy methods. Whether you want to make a copy of a layer, duplicate part of an image, or quickly move and clone an object, these techniques will save you a ton of time. This is one of those essential Photoshop skills that every beginner should know, and once you learn it, you'll use it all the time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's look at the most common method, duplicating a layer. This is the fastest and most reliable way to create a copy of an object in Photoshop. To do this, open your Photoshop project and select the layer that contains the object you want to duplicate. If your object is already on its own layer, that makes things even easier. But if not, you may need to make a selection around the object first so Photoshop knows exactly what you want to copy. Once the correct layer or selection is active, simply press Ctrl+J on Windows. If you're using a Mac, that would be Command+J. The moment you press that shortcut, Photoshop instantly creates a duplicate on a brand new layer. You'll see the copied object appear in your Layers panel, and that new layer is completely separate from the original. That means you can move it, edit it, resize it, or apply effects without changing the first object. This method is perfect when you want a clean copy of an object, text, shape, or cutout. It's also great because it keeps your workflow non-destructive, which means you always have the original version untouched underneath. If you ever make a mistake, you can simply hide or delete the duplicate layer and start again. Now let's move on to method 2, which is one of the quickest Photoshop tricks for copying while moving an object. This is the Alt+Drag method, and it's especially useful when you want to duplicate something and place it somewhere else at the same time. To use this method, first select the Move tool by pressing V on your keyboard, then click on the object you want to duplicate. After that, hold down Alt on Windows or Option on Mac. While keeping that key held down, click and drag the object to a new position. As soon as you drag, Photoshop creates a duplicate of the object instead of moving the original. When you release the mouse, you'll have both the original and the copied version. This is a really handy technique for arranging repeated elements, creating design patterns, building layouts, or quickly testing different placements. If you're working on graphics, thumbnails, posters, or social media visuals, this shortcut can speed up your workflow dramatically. One important thing to remember is that if you want the copied object to stay perfectly aligned, you can hold Shift while dragging in certain situations. That helps constrain the movement and keeps your duplicate neat and organized. Also, if you're duplicating a layer rather than just dragging pixels, you can always rename the new layer in the Layers panel so your file stays easy to manage. So let's quickly recap. If you want the fastest way to make a duplicate on a separate layer, press Ctrl+J. If you want to duplicate and move an object at the same time, use the Move tool, hold Alt or Option, and drag. Both methods are extremely useful, and both belong in your Photoshop toolkit. The more you practice these shortcuts, the more natural they'll feel, and the faster you'll work inside Photoshop. These are the kind of small skills that add up to a big difference over time, especially if you're editing often or creating content regularly. If this tutorial helped you learn something new, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, beginner guides, and quick editing shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.